That's it. Okay. It's a bop right here, right?
I never heard it.
Okay.
DJ Payne.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. Understand my position and what it took for me to get here. Instead of right up in this car and just sit here. It's like I sit there, but I'm everywhere. I'm bi-coastal. They about to shut down my postal, no mail. Judge talking bail. My life living on the third rail. I left a paper trail wherever I was at. But the time I spent, I can't get it back. So I'm just taking this moment. I'm trying to take it and own it, but you can take it. I would never postpone it. I grind. Man, break down. Get my money next to the nearest component. A fraction of my niggas steady hustle. But a few of these niggas, they lack muscle. So I subtract niggas. I only hang around with fat niggas that speak conscious when they talk about what we do. Be quiet on what we do. It's a riot for what we do. I gotta sell it, you buy it. I get this through. I get the package off me, I'm just a bracket off. I got my final four, like I'm down in March, but I'm Kentucky, trying to get off these O's. Trying to think real conscious, book shows with my niggas. It shows that we done growed up. Time slowed up, sit back, roll up. I'm about to load the flighter, I'm about to light the lighter. I'm about to flick it on niggas, I'm about to bick it on niggas. Cause I'ma rip it on niggas this time around. I'm not playing, I'm not saying this not what I came for, but my aim for is what niggas can't stop and talk about they day. That's what my fame do. I swear I see that name though. Unlock, Kigo, he know, they know. We talk about money, they talk, we show. Get it? Real dope, real slow, talk, real no.